Alright, what's up everyone? Today we're going to be doing a quick review of the new WeatherTech floor mats for the 2019 and up Mercedes Sprinter vans. I was looking around for floor mats for a while. I couldn't find anything. Turns out Mercedes had their own, but the problem was it just covered the first two spots. It didn't cover this sort of panel right in the middle here between the two seats, and I wanted that. So the WeatherTechs finally came out with their version, and you can get just the front, or you can get the front and that little piece. So we're gonna try installing them. They come in a box, obviously folded up. It's the piece that goes in the front seats is one big piece. So I recommend laying it out in the sun just to let it kind of soften up so you don't get any hard edges or kinks in it. Just let it sit in the sun, it'll kind of level itself out. Other thing is you want to make sure that you properly clean the interior of your van first. For me, I'm always at the beach, so the side panels where the battery box is and all that kind of stuff, remove all of that, get all the pieces up, because sand gets in all those things, and sand essentially salt, right? So I was worried about that rusting through the floor pan, so made sure to go through and clean all that up, and then now we'll go ahead and get the WeatherTech floor mats, try and install them and see how they look. Well, installation can't be any easier. Alright guys, so first impressions is they go in super easy. The little attachments for the driver's side, little buttons you can push down to hold them in place, fit perfect. Everything lines up really nice. There's a couple spots that have a tiny bit of gapping, but I think it's just because they're brand new and they haven't settled in yet. So highly recommend, guys. I'll link them down below in the description, so if you want to get them, you can check them out. They have them on Amazon and also on WeatherTech's website, but yeah, check them out. They're definitely worthwhile, and I like the fact that they come back a little bit further than the Mercedes, so check them out.